Hi Johnny sir, welcome to Vegan Biryani and many congratulations.
Thank you so much, so much, so much.
ये सॉन्ग आया है आपने खुद ने गाया है. What made you sing this song?
I, I've always been passionate about singing since many, many years. And I got this opportunity when Shabbir called me to sing. Actually, I had sung a song for Himesh, which Shabbir has written. So he heard me singing there at Himesh's studio. So Shabbir called me saying, I'm going to record a few songs for you, with you. And the first song that he made me hear was a Lamborghini, which was, I knew it was going to be an instant hit when I heard the song. So I said, ये opportunity तो नहीं छोड़नी चाहिए, you know. So and I love singing. I've trained as a singer long back. So it's been my passion. Just that I haven't had the time, or maybe I've not pursued it hard enough. But now I think this year resolution is that कि मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा गाने गाऊँ और मुझे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा opportunity मिले गाने के लिए with various other people also, other music directors. So yes, I think I'm going to go for it.
This was a hidden talent in you sir.
Absolutely, I think people are not aware that I could sing. So I think this is an eye opener for everybody कि भाई देखो मैं भी गा सकता हूँ, सुनो और मुझसे भी गाओ.
But sir, coming as a singer now, अब तो singer का tag लग ही गया है.
जी.
But the thing is, don't you think यहाँ पे competition बहुत ज़्यादा है हर singers को लेके?
Absolutely. I mean, the kind of talent that India has, आप देखते रहो, reality shows देखिए और जो young लड़के लड़कियाँ जो गाते हैं, is unreal. माने we have abundance of talent. और इतना सारा talent में हमारे लिए उनके लिए enough काम है नहीं. So it becomes a struggle for a lot of people क्योंकि काम इतना है और talent उससे 10 गुना ज़्यादा है हमारे देश में. तो yes, it is a struggle. तो luck also plays a huge factor. Being at the right place at the right time also बोलते हैं हमारे इंडस्ट्री में is very important. तो I think that's नसीब की बात है.
Exactly sir. But you know, सबसे सोने पे सुहागा तो ये हो गया है कि सलमान सर ने ये ना स्टोरी भी डाला है और यहाँ पर सबका दिन बन चुका है. What do you have to say?
I am absolutely grateful to Salman. I've always been grateful to him. And he's such a wonderful human being. He always supported me in as a singer also. He always used to support me. जहाँ भी जाते हैं वो अगर गाने की opportunity होती है बोलता है जॉडी गा दो गाने. तो I have always loved him as a human being, and he's done a lot for so many people. He's done for me also, and I'm with him all the time. And I'm so grateful that he's posted for this song because that has taken the reach to a different level. So whenever Salman posts, that post goes so viral that it's great for the product. And here it's great for our song. I think I hope other friends of mine in the industry will also post soon.
इंशाल्लाह. But इसी के साथ साथ सर ये भी जानना चाहूँगी, you have been with सलमान सर for a long time, you know. But the one thing is आज हम जॉनी सर को as a singer जानते हैं. But you know कभी-कभी आपको ऐसे महसूस हुआ है कि आपकी आइडेंटिटी आपके नाम से लोग नहीं जाना करते थे, सलमान के मैनेजर के नाम से जाना करते थे.
I'm absolutely okay with that. मुझे कोई ऐसी I'm not that kind of a person कि मुझे एक आइडेंटिटी चाहिए और मुझे लोग पहचाने और that I'm associated with Salman तो मुझे लोग पहचाने. I'm not at all thing. I do my work. I'm happy that I'm with him. That's what matters more than him. And plus I know the family so well. I know Sohail is almost like a childhood friend of mine. And we have all grown together. तो it's like a family thing for me. तो मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि मुझे कोई आइडेंटिटी चाहिए और या ज़रूरत है मुझे कोई आइडेंटिटी की.
But you know सर अभी सिंगिंग के फील्ड में आना, then how you will manage everything?
I will manage whenever I get time in the evenings and the nights. I will call my people who want to and I'll say मैं ready हूँ recording के लिए, मैं आ जाता हूँ रात को. That's what I've been doing with Shabbir. तो शब्बीर फ़ोन करता है कि कहाँ हो आप. मैं बोला आज फ्री हूँ. He saying आ जाओ आधे घंटे में एक अच्छा गाना आया है. तो I've done a lot of songs already with him.
But अभी अगर you know bucket list अगर बनना शुरू हुई है आपकी, तो वो कौन सा एक्टर है जिसको आपके लिए जिसके लिए गाना गाना है?
Salman Khan. Obviously.
So that will be romantic or what?
whatever opportunity. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as it's him.
Exactly right.
जी.
Also you know सर एक fresh गया, क्या सोचा था आपने कि ये दोनों पे गाना सूट होगा नहीं होगा या कुछ
जी मैंने मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि इन पे शूट हो रहा है. आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट. जब मैंने देखा वीडियो तो आई थिंक इट जस्टिफाइज द सॉन्ग कि एक यंग couple were needed for this kind of a romantic, this kind of a song. It's a very peppy, very bubbly song, and it needed a couple like Rohan, and they've done full justice to it.
करेक्ट? वेल नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग से हम किसके लिए सुन सकते हैं और कब आ रहा है?
Very soon, आप देखिएगा बहुत ही जल्द आएगा. एक अच्छा गाना आ रहा है, बहुत ही जल्द आएगा.
वेरी नाइस. वेल लास्टली आप जाते जाते आपके फैंस को क्या कहना चाहोगे?
I owe it to them, or show all the love that you can for me all the time, and without your support हम कुछ नहीं है. तो I would pray and hope and expect the love from you more and more and more and more with my next single, with my next song. I hope I do justice, and I hope I hope I can justify myself to deserve your love. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you very much.